Good morning, student. Myself Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you term related bar magnet. So first thing in our mind, what is magnet? It is discovered by the name of Turkey person, that is the Magnesia. So it is a person of, he walked there and where places to some animals move to for grazing purpose, and some iron metals in his legs are put because that legs is not damaged, but in particular places that person moves of the animals, and that person also the shoes is used like a iron shoes, then his shoes is attract in a particular region. So what happened in that duration? So it is complained the authority person to research on a particular place, such thing is happen of particular places to iron is attract. So find the property of magnet. So name of that person is Magnesia, so that is name of Magnesia. So that is name of Magnesia, so that name is magnet. So it is the name of magnet. Now I discuss the topic of a bar magnet. That bar magnet is a rectangular cylindrical shape in two poles like north or south. When this type of structure of bar magnet, that is the bar magnet, it is rectangular shape or cylindrical shape, that is the pole, that is north pole, and that is the south pole. So two poles, when any magnet, when it is in two poles north pole and south pole, and when a bar magnet in the property to attract they attract the iron metals. So magnet I say magnet is the property of attract of the iron metals. His shape is cylindrical, his shape is rectangular, his shape is circular. So that magnet such attracts of iron piece and iron material. So that pole on the particular field are generated on the pole, but that is the pole, that is south pole, and that is the north pole. In that pole and that pole generated the magnetic field, that is generated the magnetic field in that direction, and that pole also is generated the magnetic field. So attract of any iron piece, that is the iron piece, iron metal. So in that region to attract of the inside, so in a particular field is generate of that magnet. So iron metal is attract to the inside of the in that region, but outside of that region that property is in. So that through find out the particular place to effect of that magnetic field. That name is the magnetic field. Such a magnet, large magnetic field, a small magnet in a small magnetic field, and that is the two pole, that is north pole and south pole. How to generate the north pole and south pole? How to generate north pole and south pole? So a bar magnet taken and it is divided in two parts. It is divided in two parts. Taken a bar magnet, that is north pole and that is south pole, and it is when it is suspended through a thread that is moved always north pole in north side and south pole is south side. So more confusion कि such types of bar magnet or magnetic behaves in north and south, not east and west, only behaves in north and south side. So in our mind such thing is happen to bar magnet moves the north and south direction. So the reason is how to that magnet is moving north and south. So scientists are fond of these things because our earth in many ores inside in the earth, like tungsten, molybdenum, arsenic. Many ores are inside in the north and south direction. So earth is behaves like a magnet. Because arsenic, tungsten, molybdenum, etc. are combined together, that is the generate a magnetic field, and that magnet when suspended on hinge and a particular thread, then that is moves towards the north and south pole. So our earth behaves like a magnet. So that magnet behaves always suspended the north and south pole. Because I know the such pole, north and south pole, in the practically I have examined, and you also examine of these things. The two magnets, that is the same pole means same pole, north, south, or the same pole. In previous classes you also read the topic of magnet and property of magnet. So north and north pole are, that is the repel to each other, and south pole also repel each other. So when the north pole is attract, north pole is said to, that is suspended of a bar magnet through a thread, when it is moving north and south. When north pole of a bar magnet like a south pole, because our earth behaves like a magnet, so that is the north pole is the south pole and south pole is the north pole. When different poles are attract to each other, that is the north pole, so our earth behaves like, that is the south pole and that is the north pole. When then suspended of two poles, that is attract to each other. Okay, thank you.